Good morning, dear students. Today I will start the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance, that is chapter 6 of class 12 biology. And in this chapter I will deal with the three type of question. First is MCQ, that is multiple choice question. Second is assertion and reason, and the third is case based study. Today, first of all, I will deal with the multiple choice question related to term 1 based question. It is for both CBSE, ICSE and other state board examination including JAC. Okay. Now today's first question. Today's first question is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is caused. Sickle cell anemia is caused first when valine is replaced by glutamic acid. When valine is replaced by glutamic acid in beta polypeptide chain. Beta polypeptide chain. The second option is when glutamic acid is replaced by valine in beta polypeptide chain. The third option is when glutamic acid is replaced by valine in alpha polypeptide chain. And the fourth is when valine is replaced by glutamic acid. When valine is replaced by glutamic acid in alpha polypeptide chain. We all know that where sickle cell anemia is formed when glutamic acid is replaced by valine in a beta polypeptide chain, that is 6th amino acid of the beta chain. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Question 2. Question 2 is arrange the following events. Arrange the following events in order of synthesis of protein. In order of synthesis of a protein. Okay. So the first option is, first of all, let's see the events which are disordered. First, a peptide bond form. A peptide bond formed. Second step is A tRNA molecules, sorry, tRNA matches its anticodon to the codon in the A site. Third, the movement of second tRNA complex from A site to P site. Fourth, the large subunits attaches to the small subunit and the initiator tRNA fits in the P site. Fifth option is, fifth step, a small subunit binds to messenger RNA. And the sixth is the activated amino acid tRNA complex attaches the initiation codon on mRNA. Now let's see the option. Option A, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 6. Option B, 4, 6, 5, 2, 1, 3. Option C, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 1. Okay. And option D, 5, 6, 4, 2, 1, 3. अब देखो प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस में क्या क्या स्टेप्स को ये डिसऑर्डर्ड है, हम इसे अरेंज करेंगे. वी set all this in a arranged order. Okay, first a small subunit bind to mRNA. Okay, sixth is the activated amino acid tRNA complex attaches to the initiation codon. Actually, according to the options provided by the CBSE board question bulk what they are giving, as the first option is not 6 in this, we choose the option D, and if we choose the option D, this is first, then this is second. Okay, now the last subunit attached to the small subunit and the initiated DNA fits on the P side. This is third. Okay, now a tRNA matches its anticodon to the codon in the A site. Fourth. Okay, now fifth. Fifth क्या हो जाएगा? 1. A peptide bond form. And last, third. Okay. Sixth. So this is the order. ठीक है? सबसे पहले स्मॉल सब यूनिट बाइंड करेगा mRNA के साथ, फिर एक्टिवेटेड एमिनो एसिड टीआरएनए कॉम्प्लेक्स अटैच करेगा इनिशिएशन कोडॉन के साथ ऑन एमआरएनए. ठीक है? एक्चुअली अगर एज अ क्वेश्चन सेटर हम होते तो पहले यहाँ 6 लिखते फिर 5 लिखते. ठीक है? लेकिन जो कि ऑप्शन दिया गया सीबीएसई क्वेश्चन बैंक में, हम उसके अनुसार दें अगर देखें तो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट, मोस्ट करेक्ट among this 4. Now the last subunit attaches to the small subunit. That means the ribosome is now become complete. If 40S combined with 60S, it become 80S, and if it's 30S combined with 50S, it become 70S. And the initiated tRNA fits in the P site. P site is the site where peptide bond is formed, and A site is the site of the ribosome where amino acid synthesis takes place. Okay? Now the movement of, ठीक है, थर्ड के बाद फोर्थ क्या होगा? A tRNA matches its anticodon to the codon in A site. Fifth, peptide bond is formed, and finally the movement of second tRNA complex takes place from A site to P site. In this way, amino acid transfer from A site to P site and multiple peptide bond is formed, that is called polypeptide chain, and it will continue until and unless the ribosome comes to the mRNA where the codon is either UAA, UAG or UGA, which is a terminating codon. In this, the A site stops synthesizing amino acid, and as a result what happens? Protein synthesis completely stops. Okay, तो ये हो गया two questions, okay, which are in our question bank of CBSE term 1. Question 3. Read the following and select the correct statement or statements. Read the following and select the correct statement or statements. Okay, first option, 23S RNA acts as a enzyme in prokaryotes. Second option, in prokaryote DNA is monocistronic. Third, Francis Crick propose the central dogma of molecular biology. Central dogma of molecular biology. 4. In eukaryotes. In eukaryotes, 3 types of RNA polymerase are present. Now see the options. First option, A only. Second option, A and B. Third option, A and C. And the fourth option, A and D. हम नीचे से ऊपर जाते हैं. In eukaryote, 3 types of RNA polymerase are found. It is 100% correct. RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2 and RNA polymerase 3 are found. RNA polymerase 1 synthesize ribosomal RNA, RNA polymerase 2 synthesize messenger RNA and RNA polymerase 3 synthesize transfer RNA. So option D is correct. Next, Francis Crick proposed the central dogma of molecular biology. It is FSC Crick. Okay, so this is incorrect. In prokaryote, DNA is monocystonic. This is also incorrect. But A, that is 23S RNA acts as an enzyme in prokaryote is the correct one. So A and D इसमें है. Option D is the correct one. Okay, दूसरा ऑप्शन है A and B नहीं होगा. A only ये भी नहीं होगा. A and C ये भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है. Now question 4. Question 4. The significant aspect of reverse transcription. Reverse transcription means synthesis of DNA from RNA. Okay, reverse transcription is first option, the flow of information from DNA to RNA. Second option, the flow of information from RNA to DNA. Third option, the flow of information from RNA to protein. And the fourth option is both A and C. Both A and C. Okay, तो इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है? सिंपल, द फ्लो ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम आरएनए टू डीएनए. दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो है वो मैच द फॉलोइंग है. तो हम लोग लेट्स कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 विच इज अ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन मैच द फॉलोइंग. Question 5. Question 5 is match the names of the scientists in column 1 with their with their achievements in column 2 and choose the correct answer given below. Correct answer given below. Column 1, column 2. A. Watson and Crick. B. R. W. Hole. Third, Marshall Nirenberg. Marshall Nirenberg. Fourth, Jacob and Monod. Jacob and Monod. And fifth, Alec Jeffrey. Alec Jeffrey. Now see the column 2. Okay, column 2, DNA fingerprinting. P. DNA fingerprinting. Q. Decipher genetic code. Decipher genetic code. R. Double helix of DNA. Double helix of DNA. QRS. Clover model of tRNA. And T. Lac operon concept. Lac operon concept. देखो अब इसको हम लोग ऑप्शन तो है A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. R, S, P, T, Q. R, S, P, T, Q. Second option is R, S, Q, T, P. Third option is R, Q, P, T, S. Fourth option is R. Okay. Fourth option is R, T, S, P, Q. R, T, S, P, Q. That is fourth option. अब देखो Watson and Crick, very easy. Double helical model of DNA. Okay. R.W. Hole, clover leaf model. Jacob and Monod, Lac operon. Alec Jeffrey, DNA fingerprinting. Okay. तो बचा कौन? Marshall Nirenberg, decipher genetic code. Clear? That means A, R. ठीक है दोनों। बी एस ये दोनों अब आ गया। सी क्यू सिर्फ ये बचा और तो कोई नहीं है, तो क्लियर हो गया ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस मैच द फॉलोइंग। ओके, दिस इज क्वेश्चन 5। नाउ लेट्स कम टू क्वेश्चन 6। Question 6. The base pair of DNA double helix is given below. Select the suitable mRNA strand that derived from transcription is फर्स्ट ऑफ पहले ये देख लो 3 डैश A E T T A ट्रिपल T डबल C 5 डैश इधर हो गया 3 डैश 5 डैश G G A A A T है ना, क्योंकि हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि A पेयर विथ T बाय डबल बॉन्ड एंड G पेयर विथ C बाय ट्रिपल बॉन्ड। दिस इज अ चार्गस रूल। ओके, तो अब इसमें हमको क्या करना है, सुटेबल mRNA स्ट्रैंड जो इससे डिराइव्ड होगा। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन U ट्रिपल A G, U ट्रिपल A G। सेकेंड ऑप्शन C ट्रिपल U C C, C ट्रिपल U C C। थर्ड ऑप्शन G ट्रिपल A G G, G ट्रिपल A G G। and the fourth option is double C ट्रिपल U C, डबल C ट्रिपल U C C कर दो। अब देखो आरएनए जब बनेगा याद रखना थाइमिन के बदले यूरेसिल आ जाएगा। इन प्लेस ऑफ थाइमिन यूरेसिल कम्स व्हेन mRNA strand is formed। okay, now which is the perfect TU। okay, AU TA TA GG ये हो गया, ठीक है। और इधर से करो यानी यही करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऊपर से बनेगा। देखो 3 डैश टू 5 डैश है, ये होगा, ठीक है। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो गया U ट्रिपल A G G, ठीक है। अगर इससे करते हैं तो क्या होगा, पहले A, ठीक है, A कहीं भी नहीं है इसलिए इस ऑप्शन से किया गया है और ये करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A। नाउ क्वेश्चन 7। क्वेश्चन 7 है फिर से मैच द कोडॉन, मैच द कोडॉन with their respective amino acid, match the codon with their respective amino acid and choose the correct answer। सबसे पहले A B C D और ई, ठीक है। डी का जो है ट्रिपल यू, ट्रिपल जी, यू सी यू, ठीक है, यू सी यू, ए यू जी। देखो यहां पे गलती कर दिया गया, ई ऑप्शन तो सही है सीबीएसई के क्वेश्चन शीट में, लेकिन यहां पे प्रोलीन के लिए जो सेट होगा उसमें ए यू जी कर दिया गया है। जबकि याद रखना जो प्रोलीन होता है, प्रोलीन इज कोडेड बाय फॉलोइंग जेनेटिक कोडॉन। व्हाट आर दे? सी सी जी, सी सी ए, फर्स्ट टू सी सी ए जी, सी सी ए, सी सी यू और ट्रिपल सी। तो ये 4 कोडॉन है। तो यहां पे हम लिखेंगे सी सी सी, ठीक है, या सी सी यू कर देते हैं, सी सी यू। अब ये करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो गया। 1 2 3 4 5। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? सेरीन। सेकेंड ऑप्शन क्या है? मिथियोनिन। थर्ड ऑप्शन क्या है? फिनाइल एलानिन। फोर्थ ऑप्शन क्या है? ग्लाइसिन, ठीक है, और फिफ्थ ऑप्शन प्रोलीन। अब देखो ट्रिपल यू, ट्रिपल यू और यूयूसी ये दोनों कोड किसको करता है? फिनाइल एलानिन। जी 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 ये किसको कोड करता है? ग्लाइसिन। सी सी यू ये किसको कोड करता है? प्रोलीन। ए यू जी ये किसको कोड करता है? मिथियोनिन। तो बच्चा यू सी यू, यू सी यू किसको कोड करेगा? सेरीन, ठीक है। अब हम इसका ऑप्शन देखते हैं। ऑप्शन में कैसे है? 4 दिया गया है, ए बी सी डी और ई। ऑप्शन 4 है, ठीक है, ए बी सी डी ई, 5 ऑप्शन है। पहला है 3 4 1 5 2, 3 4 1 5 2। दूसरा है 3 1 4 5 2, 3 1 4 5 2। तीसरा है 3 4 5 1 2, 3 4 5 1 2। फोर्थ इज 2 4 1 5 2, 2 4 1 5 2। एंड द फिफ्थ ऑप्शन इज 2 4 1 3 5। तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर चुके हैं, खाली अब चुनना है। तो देखो ए का 3, ये 3 आ गया, बी का 4, ये 2 आया, ए और सी। अब ए और सी के बीच में फाइट है। अब सी का 1, सी का 1 कहीं भी है ना, 3 4 1, तो हो गया ऑप्शन ए। तो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। ओके, ठीक है। अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पढ़ेंगे। We will solve now the question number 8. Question number 8. Select the two correct statements out of the 4 given below about lack, next question is lack operon. Okay, lack operon is a negative induction system. Okay, inducible operon it is. First option, glucose or galactose may bind with repressor. Glucose or galactose may bind with the repressor and inactivate it. Second, in the absence of lactose, the repressor protein binds with operator region. Third, the Z gene, the Z gene codes for region. Fourth, this was elucidated by Francis Jacob and Jacques Monod. Sorry, not Monod, it is Monod. Okay, now the correct statement are, the correct statements are, you have to choose two statements. First option is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Second option is 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Third option is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. And the fourth option is 1 and 2. तो कौन सा करेक्ट ऑप्शन है? Which is the correct option? Let's see. First, glucose or galactose may bind with repressor protein. Sorry, it is 100% incorrect, because lactose bind with repressor protein, because this is a lac operon. So this is incorrect. In the absence of lactose, the repressor protein binds with the operator site. Yes, because repressor protein, which is synthesized by the regulator gene, has two binding sites, one for inducer and another for operator. If inducer is absent, then it will definitely bind with the operator region. So option 2 is the right one. Third, Z gene codes for a region. No, Z gene code for beta galactosidase enzyme. So this is also incorrect. Fourth, this was elucidated by Francis Jacob and Jacques Monod. Yes, lac operon was given by Jacob and Monod. So this is also a correct option. So 2 and 4, that is option C, is the correct answer. Okay, now let's see question number 8. Okay, question number 9. 9 is, which of the following does not takes part in stabilizing the clover leaf model of the tRNA. First option, base stacking. Second option, base and sugar phosphate backbone interaction. Option C, ionic bond, and option D, hydrogen bond. Okay, the question is, which of the following does not take part in stabilizing the Cloverleaf model? Does not. First of all, we must know what takes part in stabilizing the Cloverleaf model. Cloverleaf model of tRNA को स्टेबल करने के लिए कौन कौन सा फैक्टर रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? फर्स्ट, सबसे पहला कारण है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बिटवीन द नाइट्रोजनस बेस, AT by double bond and GC by triple bond. We can say AU by double bond. Yes, तो ये करता है, it is okay. Second is nitrogenous base and sugar phosphate backbone interaction. This is also correct. Third, base stacking. This is also correct. So here the ionic bond does not take part in stabilizing the Cloverleaf model of tRNA. So option C is the incorrect one. Is the correct option, sorry, for question 9, and it does not take part. It does not take part in stabilizing the Cloverleaf model. Okay, up next. Now question 10. Question 10 is DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting is a technique in molecular biology. Arrange the following steps in a sequence. First option, blotting of DNA fragment, blotting of DNA fragment to nitrocellulose. Second, digestion of DNA, digestion of DNA by restriction endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease. Third, deletion. Okay, deletion of DNA. Deletion of DNA by restriction endonuclease. Fourth, isolation of DNA. isolation of DNA, and the fifth is separation of DNA fragments by इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस। ओके, तो ये सभी स्टेप्स को आपको अरेंज करना है फ्रॉम 1 to 5। फर्स्ट क्या होगा? आइसोलेशन ऑफ डीएनए। नेक्स्ट आइसोलेशन ऑफ डीएनए के बाद डाइजेशन ऑफ डीएनए बाय रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम। नेक्स्ट सेपरेशन ऑफ डीएनए बाय जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस। नेक्स्ट blotting of DNA fragment to nitrocellulose. ओके, तो सबसे पहला हो गया आइसोलेशन ऑफ डीएनए, देन डाइजेशन ऑफ डीएनए बाय रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस, थर्ड सेपरेशन ऑफ डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट बाय इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस, फोर्थ blotting of DNA fragment, and fifth deletion of DNA by restriction endonuclease. Okay, so these are the correct option. Now see the option A, 42153, 42153. Question number B, 31452, 31452. Question number C, 43512, 43512. Option number D, 24152, 24152. And option number E, 42513, 42513. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? देखो 1 4 है, तो ये 3 में कॉन्टेस्टेंट है। 2 4 2 4 2, यानी ये और इसमें अभी लड़ाई है। अब 4 2 5 4 2 5, सिर्फ ये बचा, तो ऑप्शन ई इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, तो आप क्वेश्चन 10 का ऑप्शन ई जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर है। सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। नाउ let's come to question number 11. Okay, today this is the last question. Question number 11 is mRNA, very easy question. mRNA bearing multiple ribosome, we can say 4 to 6, and the main purpose is to synthesize single type of protein in a large quantity. Okay, ribosome is known as first a small subunit mRNA initiator tRNA complex. mRNA ribosome complex, mRNA ribosome complex. C, polyamine ribosome complex, and the fourth is polysome. So when mRNA bearing multiple ribosome, this structure is called either polysome or polyribosome. तो कौन सा आंसर सही होगा? ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, so in the next class we will continue some multiple choice, then we enter into the next segment of this chapter, that is assertion and reason. That's all for you. Thank you and have a nice day.